Alright guys, we've got David's 2001 Toyota Tacoma here. This is the 4-cylinder, 2-wheel drive truck. He's requested for me to do a drain and refill on the automatic transmission fluid. We're not doing a total flush here. We're just going to do a simple drain. That's going to first involve us removing the drain plug from this transmission pan and removing all of the old fluid. We're going to replace a seal, if there is any sort of seal, like a crush washer right here, and make sure there's no leaks in the future. But not bad. Still pretty fresh and red. He does a good job maintaining this vehicle. Looks really good. So we're going to let this drain out completely, and then we are going to verify that there's no drain plug washer that's stuck on the surface of this pan after it's done dripping out. But if there's not, then it's safe to say we're good to just torque it back to spec with no gasket, and then we're going to continue to lower the vehicle down and put fluid in it. Alright guys, so we lowered down the Tacoma. Now we need to fill the transmission pan back up with fluid. To locate the dipstick for the transmission, it's actually hidden underneath the intake and the brake booster. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there next to that coiled brake line. We're going to take that dipstick out, and then we're going to fill it with fluid using a funnel. Let's start with about 3 quarts, and then we're going to stick the dipstick back in and check our level. Alright, so David wanted to put in some of the Valvoline full synthetic Max Life automatic transmission fluid. You can buy this at Advanced Auto Parts. It's definitely a good choice for this type of vehicle. We've got the dipstick removed and our funnel put in place. Now we're going to go ahead and add about 3 quarts and check where we are at. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add some fluid and see how much I can spill all over the place. Okay guys, I added actually about 2 quarts of fluid, and we went ahead and test drove the vehicle. Now we're going to check the fluid and see what the level's at. We're almost perfect. We're sitting right at the fill line, exactly where we need to be. So now we can put the dipstick in, consider the job well done.